We've adapted over eons of time, so wouldn't we just naturally adapt?
Well, there is a significant a difference in the rate that species adapt, evolve, and the rate at which the climate is currently changing.
Ah, okay. So, Michael, do you really think, I assume you think there's something to all of this?
It is irrefutable that the Earth is warming, and it's warming in a different way probably than any time in history. And the folks at NASA and probably 10,000 other important organizations all agree it's warming, and it's something we all should take seriously.
So, we could all be living in a tropical climate. Would that be so bad?
Well, you know, it wouldn't be bad in a way, but you know, we have buildings, we have roads, we have schools, we have our lifestyle. And although we're not going to, us here, feel the real impact of climate change, but your granddaughters and sons may feel the impact. And between now and then, you know, when we live in this rainforest, whatever, much of the things we've invested in, the roads, the buildings, you know, they're going to have to be protected or moved.
That's interesting. Well, Russell, if you're working on a climate action plan, the assumption is that you believe it's going to be necessary. Or is it just that you're doing it as a part of your job?
Well, the city of East Balto is doing a climate action plan in response to legislation that was adopted by the state of California in 2006. Assembly Bill 32, which is the Global Warming Solutions Act, mandates that the state of California reduce its greenhouse gas emissions to 1990 levels by 2020 and 85% of 1990 levels by 2050. So, and there are local government protocols to help the state achieve those targets. So many cities in the state of California have initiated this process to develop these plans.
Edwin, if California is adopting these plans and the rest of the country is not, would that make a big difference?
Well, it won't make any difference as far as climate change is concerned. It will make a difference locally, I think, as to how cities, states, counties respond to climate change. When looking at climate change, there are really two broad issues you need to address. One is adaptation. What are the physical, biological changes that we're going to see in the environment around us as a result of climate change, and what should we consider doing in order to adapt to those changes? And the other broad issue, a range of issues, is mitigation. What should we do, or could we do, if we choose to try to limit the extent of climate change?